Hey guys, it's Sunny, and today I'm going to share with you guys how to get snatched using the Match Stix from Fenty Beauty. And we're about to look really snatched after this. If you're not already snatched, you will be after this tutorial. Just a heads up. So the first thing we're going to do is carve out to show out, honey. I'll be using this Match Stix in Cocoa. So what I do is I start from the top of my ear and I go all the way down, and I'm going to brush that product in up all the way up to the temples of my forehead. And as you guys can see, I'm really getting that lift. I'm going in a rectangular motion along my cheekbone area, and I'm just going to be working that product in. A little goes a really long way with Match Stix. And this technique works out so well, and I like to give the illusion that my cheekbones look a little bit higher when I'm contouring, just like a personal preference. It's gonna make you look like you're ready for like the non-existent runways in 2020. You know what I mean? Blend, 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 blend. Another trick I like to do when I'm contouring and highlighting is I'm gonna go in with a shade that's closest to my skin tone. I don't want it to be too light, and I'm just gonna go under my contour just a little bit, and this is gonna give the illusion of it being lifted a little bit more. Okay, now we're on to step number 2. Now, even if you weren't looking for a ride, you're about to get a real lifty lift with this technique right here. Line this on under my eyes, and I like to go just in triangular motion like this underneath my eye. I forgot to I like to always warm it up on my hand first. I usually like to go 2 shades lighter than my skin tone underneath my eyes right here. I like to go 2 shades lighter than my actual skin tone and focus it along just this area right here. This is gonna really just give my under eyes a pop. I just wanna show you guys which dimension it's gonna bring. Oh my God, I love the lift it just gave. Now the last step to my highlighting contour is some blush, and I love this Yacht Life shade right here. So all you gotta do is smile and apply on the product onto the apples of your cheeks. It just brings my cheeks so much life, makes my cheeks look fuller, and I just can't forget the blush. And so I don't really need to touch up with powder, but I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Caramel Cutie bronzer, and don't really go crazy with setting powder or anything like that, because I usually put on the setting powder before my foundation, lock that foundation in with a matte foundation, and then I go in with the cream, and it just makes it look all skin-like, not too powdery. And yeah, there's layers to this. This is pretty much my highlight and my contour routine, and pretty much what I do 0 to 100 when I'm highlighting, contouring, adding some blush, some life, some dimension to my face. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.